Ang daming bunga ng ano guys, oh, nakyat oh. Kailan lang ako nag-harvest dito eh. Ngayon hinog na sila lahat. Look. Dami. Pero hindi ito ang pitasin natin guys. Ayun. Magkakalaglagan na yung bunga niya oh. Look at that. It is a queen's fruit guys. It is similar to pears and look alike an apple. Look at that. I harvested it before but I don't know how to eat it. It's too tough. That's why I didn't continue to eat it. And the gardener came, so I asked him how to eat it and he told me that I should cook it first. So I will harvest now and I'll try. I think this is ready. Look. Wow. It has a fuzzy peel. Oh, ito oh, tingnan mo to oh. Ano na siya? It is rotten. Natin. Oh, wow, look at that. It's very beautiful. It's too tough, yet it is very sweet. I will just get 4 and I'll just try. I will put it in my cake. Wow. Maano na siya, dali na siyang tanggalin. Sabi ko 4 lang eh. Oh, ayan oh, tanggal na siya. Kasi dito ang lakas-lakas ng hangin. Oh. Nalaglag na siya guys. O, tignan nyo. Ang dami. Sayang. Ayan guys. Tignan nyo. Ang lit-lit na puno pero ang daming bunga. Sayang lang. Pitasin na rin kaya natin to. Kasi puro na siya dilaw oh. Sayang ha. Malaglag eh in 3 days. Ang ano na to. Mahalakas ng hangin. Pitasin na natin. Bitas tayo ulit. Ang bango. Tada! Oh, clear na siya. Wala na yung mga kulay orange.